If you have to send and receive dollars here in US, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Venmo. So if you want to receive and send without paying a fee, so this is your best bet. So now let's start with Venmo. So if you have a Android or iPhone, it will be kind of the same. So let's start the Venmo app, and here you're going to have, for instance, a scan on the bottom. So if you want to scan another Venmo, so here I have it in my other phone, the same thing. So you scan it and then it will show you, okay, do you want to send, receive, or anything like that. In this case, because it's just myself, it will not show you, what you have to see. Otherwise, if you're in a customer, all you have to show them is your Venmo account, or if you have a YouTube channel and you want to receive, payment for anything, donations or anything like that, you can share that, or you can share the link by clicking on the left, on the right left, you click where you see the arrow pointing up, and then you will get the link. So you can copy the link here, copy, and that's it. So later, once you have the cash, you can go here where it says me. For instance, here I have all the customers, all the payments that you can see here. And then all you have to do is you have to transfer, and then you can transfer. If you are very thirsty for cash, you can click instant, but they will charge you, a fee, or you can click here where it says 1 to 3 days. I never pay instant. I never used it before. I'm not desperate for cash, so I press that and then click transfer. The only thing, let's say if you have over 3,000, for instance, they will say it will not work, and you have to transfer up to the 29.99.99. So you have to change the amount a few times, until you can transfer all. So that is the only downside. To me, it doesn't make any sense if you want to switch like a business account, or you're going to be paying like a fee, like 1.8% or 2% or something like that. The advantages, at least what I've been reading, is not that much. It's not like they're going to promote your business or anything like that. So you're not going to have more business because you're using that. Otherwise, you can use Sell if you want to get cash for free. Without paying any fee. Sell. You have Cash App, or you can use PayPal, but PayPal you have to choose, personal or friend or something like that. Otherwise, Venmo is a great alternative. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.